So firstly, I'm taking a small container. In that, I'm going to add Colgate, about 1 teaspoon. So now I'm taking neem powder. You can get this from any organic store, or else you can also make your own neem powder. You just need to dry the neem leaves and make them into powder. I'm taking a very little amount of this one. And mix this very carefully so that the neem powder doesn't scatter away. So next I'm going to add turmeric powder. I think this is easily available. And a few drops of rose water, or else you can also just add water or a few drops of water and mix thoroughly. Be patient and mix for a while. So this is how it looks at the final stage. So I'll show you how to apply on the pimples. You can store this in fridge, or you can also store outside. Let us suppose this is a pimple. You just need to tap over the pimple and leave overnight. Before going to bed, just let it dry so that you doesn't make them stick to the pillows or anything. If you have more pimples, just tap all of the area and you're done. Use this at least for a week. If you have more and more pimples, please use this for at least a month. So you will definitely see a result. I think this will be helpful. So thank you a lot for all my dear subscribers. Please do subscribe if you really like our videos. Thank you for watching.